This is a video review of the Jetboil Flash. It is a personal cooking system that you can take camping with you or use it whenever it's convenient. This is a complete system of everything you need except for the gas cylinder. And this is what you can get for gas. This is the largest size, this is 230, but you can get the smaller size which is designed to fit inside this. So when you pack it all up, it all fits in together. This particular Jetboil Flash model has lines on the side here with the Jetboil symbol, which when you turn the Jetboil on and it heats up to the boiling point, it changes colour, so that way you know it's hot. Just has a quick information card with the accessories that you can purchase. This is the Jetboil here. So it's got a nice carrying handle. It's a nice firm, strong handle. It's got a little loop on the top. Maybe it's a belt loop. Just a normal printed design here. A little utensil holder so you can put a spoon in there. And the indicator on the side. At the bottom you've got the cup and the heat dispersal fins in the bottom. So the lid's quite nice and firm and it will make a nice seal. And also has a little sippy hole in there so you can leave it on when you drink your coffee. The actual heating element with a little ignition on there. It's got a nice fold out valve adjuster and a clicking button on the side. Got the instruction manual. So it's quite a big instruction manual with different languages and warnings. So these have got little rubberized feet on the end there, which is good. Gives that little bit of extra grip. You can place a larger one such as this and it'll clip, or if you've got a Jetboil size one, it'll fit on the inside. Inside the cup, it's nice Teflon coating. I don't think anything will stick in that. There's a maximum safety fill 2 cups measure on the side. You can tell when you've got 2 cups in it. There's a little protector end there, and it also has measurements on the side, so it says 1 cup. And these are just the heat dispersal fins on the bottom there, so it can rapidly transfer the heat from the flame into the Jetboil to cook your food. Here's the stand. This is generic butane propane fuel, 230 grams. It's a larger size, but it's too big to fit in there. You can still spin it without having to lift the whole up. There's gas in there. So the clicker's on, turn it, and then the clicker's on that side. Oh, look at that. A lot of really good quality burner there, really directional. It's nice. It's got little locking lugs, that's nice. You know, when it goes in and you turn it on, it's not going to fall out. Yep, and you can pick up the whole unit as one piece. Pretty sturdy. This is just water. It's turned up pretty high now. it's not really throwing off too much heat from inside. It's really directional. You can see the indicator now. It's only filled up to the 2 cup mark. So that's almost boiled now. See, the water's really vaporizing. And it's boiling away. It did not take long at all, and that's really convenient. So I can touch my hand on the side here and it is hot. Oh, this has got an insulation on here. So it's a bit stiff, but you can turn that if you hold the base and twist the Jetboil. And the cup's obviously up now. The bottom is warm, but you wouldn't cause any damage putting that on anything. And this cup here goes onto the bottom, and that way you're not going to bang it into anything. Keep it nice and safe. It rapidly boils your water or whatever you're cooking in there. You could even make it coffee. Really good quality. So it is pricey, but if you're willing to spend that money, you'll get that amount plus more out of this thing. It's really good. And once you're finished, it'll all pack up into itself, and if you have a smaller, I think they're 100-gram gas cylinder, it'll fit compactly in there, so you'd have everything in that space where you can cook with, as well as your fuel. So, good for hiking, it's relatively lightweight, and it's good quality material. I hope you've enjoyed this Jetboil Flash video. It's a bit of an unboxing and review, I guess. And yeah, see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.